my passion because I love to work with children and I want to work with them. And that is the stepping stone of how Keekli started. And with each passing year, with each passing moment, something new kept coming up. I made very good friends. My friends joined me in all my events, and they became a family. My guidance, my teachers and all, they all encouraged me and they supported me. I went to each and every school to introduce the concept of Keekli because that time nobody understood internet. 10 years ago, it was just in its baby form. So telling them and making them understand that Keekli, a webzine or an internet is also a medium of sharing news was very new to Shimla at that time. So this approach, this concept with what Keekli started with is what you see over here. 2000, again, Keekli won an award for it in 2015, and that year we started with the bilingual newspaper also. But with time, we had to close that down. Sustenance is a big problem. As I told you, Keekli doesn't make any money. But for me, it was never about money. Everybody has questioned me, do you make anything out of it? I don't make money, but I do make a lot of friends, not only in Shimla, but I've made a lot of friends throughout now. At national level also, because all my competitions, wherever we send our notifications or our flyers or our promotional material, we get a lot of writers, children writers who send their poems, who send their stories, and who participate in our writing competitions. So that's the biggest boon of Keekli which has happened with me.